Hey food fans, welcome back. Today I'm feeling extremely hungry, so I'm going to cook up a nice juicy burger and fries. Let's start by peeling the potato and cutting the fries. Give that a quick wash. Take your time with this part. Ideally you want 1 centimetre slices. And get a paper towel and dry those off. Set them aside for now until you're ready to cook them. A few slices of lettuce, give those a wash. Some nice chunky slices of onion. Mince, I've gone for 18% fat. That's straight in the bowl. Egg in as well. You can put your dry ingredients in now. Apart from your salt, don't put salt in the burgers yet. Plenty of black pepper. Some garlic granules, not too much. Some mixed spice. And some paprika. You just want to go straight in with your hands. Make sure all that egg gets incorporated into the mixture. And give your hands a wash. Okay, so we're going to use a burger tool. Just fill your mixture. Push it down with your spoon, or you can push it down with the lid, it's up to you. An optional step before you do this, if you want onions in your burgers, you can dice up some onion and throw into the mixture. But as I'm the only one that likes onions in our family, I put them on afterwards, not in the mix. Give that a wipe down. And we're now ready to cook. Okay, so let's heat up some oil. I'm only going to shallow fry these for the chips. Vegetable oil. Just enough to cover the top of a layer of chips. We'll go in with some olive oil in the pan for the burger. I'm also going to cook the bacon in here as well. So while they're warming up, we can start to prepare the buns. Brioche buns. Mayo, top and bottom. Lettuce. Tomato. Onions. Okay, now our oil's nice and warm. We can salt the burgers. Handful of fries per person. A couple of pieces of streaky bacon. Okay, chips out onto a plate. Onto a paper towel and drain off any excess oil. And salt them while they're still wet. Bacon out, cheese on, lid back on. Just for a minute just to melt the cheese.